Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing wearing a bad outfit to see how my girlfriend reacts. Clarence NYC, let's get into it.
NYC, welcome back to another video game. And today we're doing things a little different. We're about to hop right into this video. As y'all already can see from the title right now, I had this great idea. We're up very early right now. It's probably like 8 in the morning. CJ just got on the bus not too long ago to go to school and shit. So we're about to try to go get some breakfast. I know for sure we gotta go get some gas. So we about to head out, but I wanted.
Alright, y'all comment below if y'all breakfast people. I love breakfast. I know it's like probably the worst meal for you, but it's my jam.
To do this video, I think right now is the perfect time to do this video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go downstairs with a bad outfit on. I'm gonna have a really bad outfit on, and I'm gonna see what Queen's reaction is. You know what I'm saying? I would love to know what her reaction is going to be, what she's gonna think. Y'all know I'm one of the flyers, you know what I'm saying? One of the flyest niggas out there, you know what I'm saying? So people are not really used to seeing me dress in a really bad outfit. So I think it would throw people off, you know what I'm saying? And to make it just realistic, I'm about to go outside with it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it. I'm out here to really think I'm throwing this shit on, and I think that I had that shit on. Like, I'm gonna act like I have that shit on. Like, I'm gonna act like I had that shit on. So we about to go get dressed. I'm not even dressed right. I got some shorts and shit. She's downstairs currently waiting for me. I think she's doing her hair or whatever, because she's taking mad long anyway. So I'm about to just get this video started, get dressed, head downstairs, and catch her reaction again. I gotta somehow put enough.
All right. Also, I like to add, you know, men just be throwing stuff on. It be taking us a little while to get together, so leave it alone.
The camera down there to get her reaction, so it won't be just me vlogging. I probably vlog on this and put like a camera down there just to get her initial reaction, you know what I'm saying? But stay tuned. I'm about to go pick up my clothes right now. Let go. Yeah. So we ready. We in the closet right now. We about to pick some random shit.
Getting dressed with Claire. Get ready with me. Okay, Claire, let's do it.
I'm thinking about going like real, like big ass coat with shorts and boots. I'm not sure. I want it to look very weird. Or I might do like very colorful type shit. I don't know. Let's see what the weather's like.
You're lying.
Weather 59, yeah. 59.
See, he be thinking ahead. Okay. So what we gonna do? I think the colors would get her. Cause you know, 59, maybe puffy coat. It might get hot later. I don't know. You gotta deal with it all day, but I think the colors gonna get her.
I'm not sure. Vest, sweater, shorts type shit. Go this, like a hoodie, some shorts, a stupid hat. Shorts is crazy, right? For some reason, this is something screaming at me to wear this. Cause it's loud. It's green. You got Gucci print all over. Like, it's just loud. Like, you could do this so wrong. It'll be so easy to do this wrong. You know what I mean? I think I need to go maybe purple, green, purple hoodie under the vest. Go purple hat. Or I could go a hat that don't even match. Like something like this. With this on, just colors that don't. Another thing too is I'm not the brightest, so I feel like when she do see me, it's gonna be like, what the fuck are you doing? Boom. Let me not worry about the hat just yet. Let me get this together. All right, so pants. We need pants. Should I go these? This is pretty bright. These with this. Watch that shit still end up looking good though a little bit. Damn, this is a lot harder than I thought. I think it's harder. It's harder to put on a bad outfit than putting on a good outfit for me. You know what I'm saying? I think it's way harder. All right, I'm gonna just start trying shit on. All right, let's get a tee real quick. Let me see how this purple sweater look. Bro, I feel paused. Like, I don't know why I feel paused. Like, it's just mad colors. Like, but then again, it look good too. Like, it's like I got that shit on, but nothing matches. Like, should I go these? Like, just fuck it. Like, how I look, gang? fucking with this. I'm fucking with this. It takes real confidence to wear something like this, guys. It takes some real confidence, some real... Oh, shit. Some real balls. Some real balls to wear something like this. Rate the fit, though. Rate the fit. Before I go downstairs, rate the fit. 1 to 10. You can't pick 1 through 9, though. 10 being the...
I like him in colors. I think he should wear colors more often. But I know that usually... I guess most of the stuff that at least I know that he wear, it don't really be that colorful. And he got the hat matches, so he need to change the hat. But I don't know. It's I guess about a 6, right? Maybe I don't know if I go 7. I think 6 is a good place. It's like I think it's a little better than okay. I'll let me know.
Yes, and you can't pick 1 through 9. Ooh, should we go this though? Alright. I think we're ready. We're about to go downstairs, head downstairs right now. Before we get into this video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe and the bell notifications on. Because if not, that's fucking petty. You know what I'm saying?
Petty. It's petty. Now look, that's a shout out to us. We all know that. But also, like he said, please don't be petty to petty fam, to petty reactions, and not subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell notification, all that good stuff. So, be part of the fam. Thank y'all for watching. You know, honestly, I think y'all should rate his poses too. What you think Claire gonna be like a model? Y'all see that? Is that something he could do? Y'all let me know.
And that's fucking pay. You just watching me. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? You can subscribe for free. Get me right. Let's get into this video.
And y'all see, I already liked it. You can start liking the video at the beginning. You don't have to wait till the end.
So I'm about to... I got a booger one on. The fuck? Nah, that's wild.
Too much. TMI. I'm glad he saw it, because I was going to tell him. I'm sorry, that's petty, but I was going to say, like, could you get this? Can you get this?
Booger in my nose is crazy. But yo, I'm about to head downstairs and start getting it. You know what I'm saying? I think she's in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave y'all somewhere in the living room, because I feel like if I go down there and I just vlog in with the camera, she going to know him. She going to immediately know, nigga, you playing with me, nigga. Like, where's the cameras at? Where I'm my own punked. So I have a camera set up down.
Look, the funniest thing, what if Queen being petty and she don't say nothing? She just be like, okay, if that's what you want to do. You the style guru in the family. Like, I guess that's a new thing. Like, what if she don't say nothing? He gonna flip out.
There, basically. I'm gonna leave y'all somewhere, and then when I'm already in there and we're like ready to go, or she's already seen me, I'm gonna pick you guys up and act like I'm gonna start vlogging. You know what I'm saying? Because I already told her I'm vlogging today. I need a video for my channel. This quality is amazing, just by the way. I'm looking at this myself, and this shit is fire. But I'm going to go down there. I'm going to leave y'all somewhere, and we're going to get her reaction with the other camera, and then I'm going to just start vlogging. I'm going to try to start vlogging as soon as I can when I get down there. But I'm like going to announce it, you know what I'm saying? So she know, like, oh yeah, let me get my camera so I can start vlogging, get the fit, all that, you know.
See, I like it. It's like we together. We huddled up. He like telling us a secret. All right. And y'all think this is gonna work? I don't know, because a lot of times when he be trying to prank Queen, he end up getting pranked himself. I like this video though. Okay, so let's see how this go, Claire. I'm with y'all. We Team Claire today.
So smash that like button. Let's get it.
Peep around corners. Oh my, he's so funny. I don't know. I mean, I like the bright colors. It might be kind of bright though. I
didn't get my water. Why are you laughing?
I just got something stupid in my head. Like,
why are you trying to eat?
You trying to leave right now?
Yeah, I'm trying to get some food, bro. And we gotta go get gas.
We not coming back? You wanna go out all day?
Not all day.
See, there she go. I think she's thinking now. She's like, so what's up with this outfit? Like, you going on like that? But she's trying to find a polite way to say it. You know, she not trying to be like, that's ugly, take that off. But she like, oh, we going out? We gonna be out like all day? You not gonna change first?
Like, we can go get our stuff done.
I'm saying, you trying to go eat right now?
Hell yeah. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Babe, I keep thinking of Barney when I see you. Oh, shucks, Queen. She say, something got me thinking about Barney up in this one. She like, I got the theme song in my head. He said, all this purple-liciousness? No. Purple people eating, like... oh, see, that's a little light cat right there. Like, that's a little baby Patty right there. Queen Patty fell today for the Barney. She brought back Barney, y'all. Y'all look Barney up if y'all know about Barney. He was all purple. It's purple.
What do you mean? Because I got a purple sweater.
Have you seen Barney? Have you ever saw Barney?
Yeah.
Babe, I'm gonna be honest.
He's purple, I got green.
Babe, you got purple on, you look like Barney, bruh.
No, look. Babe, you look like Barney.
Her laugh killed me. Yeah, she got ha, ka, 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 ka.
Babe, I'm not gonna lie. What do you have on?
Good job. She noticed it. She love her man. She's like, Barney though. Man, he should have did when CJ was there too. CJ would have went in on him.
You don't dress like that's why I said, are you like really trying to go like that?
You not fucking with this?
Clarence. I know you don't listen. Hear me out.
I start vlogging.
I know you don't like to be matchy, but I feel like you're trying too hard to not be matchy. Like, babe, this is not like Clarence.
I'm fucking with it.
You have on lime green shoes, a dark green jacket, orange in the inside.
Listen. First of all, the hat and the sweater goes.
The hat and sweater go. I don't understand.
The hat and the sweater goes.
The vest.
Then the vest
Clarence.
is in the same family as the slippers.
No, it's not in the same
Yes,
family.
it is. In the family, though.
The green family.
They could be cousins.
Green.
They could be cousins right there. Look.
Well, they're like paternal cousins.
Yo, are you cutting ass? What do you have on?
Like, what you got on? She like, I just did my hair and makeup, bro. I ain't fully dressed. And if I am, gray go with black. So there.
I have on something nice. Like, look. This is like a nice little classic outfit. This is leggings, a Nike sweater. What are these called? I forgot what these called, but these like the tennis.
Now your outfit regular though.
I mean,
Outfit real regular.
I look cute though. I don't look big. Okay, go ahead.
I'm not.
She do look cute. She cute and comfy.
Start vlog. I gotta get this on camera because what you said?
I said you look like Barney. And like you need to
show the picture that you just showed me.
This is what I think about. That's why
she said I look like this, y'all.
That's why I laughed out loud when I seen you. But I'm gonna be honest.
Do I look like that? Hold on. Why is it not picking up the green? Get my fit.
You right. I forgot he had a green belly. Okay, so that's how she got Barney, because he got green and purple on. Okay, with the hat, you know, the head that went on Barney. That's hilarious, Queen. Oh, that's so funny.
This is a bad outfit. I'm not gonna lie. I can't believe it. I can't believe you. Clarence, you're not serious.
I've never put on a bad outfit.
You're not serious. Well, today you did. Today's the day. I'm gonna be honest. Take off the...
See, you need somebody love you that you love to tell you the truth sometimes. All right. So shout out to Queen for being 100% honest girlfriend. She let you know. She said, baby, down. She said, I love you too much to let you walk out there like that. You're going to have regrets if they start, if the paparazzi get you. You're going to have regrets, bruh. They're going to be talking about your bad outfit because you usually flee like, She said, your stuff is trend setting. You setting another type of trend today. She said, don't say I didn't tell you. Listen to the woman you love.
Yes.
I try. It's not.
No. Take the vest.
It's not the same without the vest.
Okay, take the shoes off.
No, the shoes.
Take the shoes off.
The shoes stay on right there.
Clarence, no, take the shoes off. Take the shoes off. All right, you're getting a little bit better. You're getting warmer. Pants not bad, but you got to find some shoes to kind of like correlate them together. But to be honest, you could just really throw on some gray sweats.
I don't think you're
like
really seeing it. I don't think you're really seeing the vision. Is it dark in here?
It is dark, maybe shit. I mean, I thought we were about to leave though, but I don't know. You gonna leave like that?
No, because you're not seeing it. I think you're not really seeing it. Look at it.
Like, I could clearly see.
Maybe it's the light.
And it look even worse now.
It's probably the lighting.
It's not the light.
She said, you brighten up with all them colors, Barney. She said, what you want me to sing the theme song? I think he needs you to sing the theme song, sis.
I've never seen you look this, like,
Cozy.
corny.
She said your man is corny. Oh, Lord. Oh, she had called him corny now. What the fighting words to Claire. Never corny. Don't be corny. Oh, my. Claire. And his whole face on the ground. Oh, no, Claire. You better tell this a prank. She gonna be worried about you, bro. She gonna start shopping for some more clothes for you. She's like, let me pick your outfit out. I'm gonna have your stuff laid out on the bed because your vision blurred, bruh. You can't see.
I've never seen you look this corny. But you look mad corny right now.
She said, I can't even be associated with you looking like this. You corny.
Your face.
Because I'm a little confused on what you're trying to say.
Babe, you look at this.
If you have something to say, just say it.
I'm saying.
They left that refrigerator open for a long time. Like, dang, I don't even remember them going in it. That was, 5 minutes? Everything in there messed up now. Don't come to my house, leave no door open in the refrigerator. Ooh, that irked my nerve. I'm glad he saw it. Thank you for closing it, Claire.
If you have something to say,
you
just say
said
it.
that I look real basic, but I'd rather look like this than that.
She don't look basic. She got her matching shirt and the sweater and the shoes. That's cute, actually. I like the little zip up.
If I put that on, it would be you would be flaming me right now.
Nah, I would give you.
When you do it, it's creativity. But if I
You're matchy right now. You're
no, I'm
matching.
not matchy.
Your sneakers go with your. That's so 2022. We're in 2023 right now, and I feel like.
He called her last year. That's all right. That's eternity. That's forever.
This is how niggas dressing right now. I'm not gonna lie.
You know,
I got that shit on. This is a Gucci vest.
That don't matter.
Also, shout out to everybody who still got their Christmas tree up. What's up, y'all? Happy MLK Day, Martin Luther King, Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Day. Everybody out there, it's tomorrow. Get yourself together. Get your get your charity work in. We are one type deal. Got it. All right, but yeah, take that Christmas tree down. No. Don't have your Christmas tree up in February. I'm gonna have to talk about y'all.
With a cactus plant sweater. Come on. You thought these were regular sweats, right?
They don't go together. I see it.
Supreme on the sweats. Marnie on the slides. We ready. You hating.
She said, not Marnie. She said Barney, bruh. She said Barney. She said Barney is your friend with the purple.
If you hating, just say that.
I'm not hating, but okay, I was trying to look out for you before you left. But if you want to look like Barney when you leave, no, you can. I'm not trying to.
She petty. She's like, I tried to tell you, babe. If you like Barney, I like Barney. We good. I love you. That don't matter what you wear.
Hey, call me Barney one more time. We got a problem. Don't call me Barney.
Barney.
That's not nice. But I've never seen Chick-fil-A.
She was gonna say it again. She say, "What, bro? You look like Barney." I don't know.
I never, ever seen Chick-fil-A with a place in her.
They always have it in the front. Every time we
No,
ride
that's a
past.
McDonald's thing, though.
No, Clarence. Every time you ride past here, they have a place in
Wait,
the
this is
front.
the first Chick-fil-A I've ever seen with a plate.
You might not be paying attention because every time we come in, look, you can see a window. It's right there.
This one, though. Have you seen another one besides this one?
Yeah.
With a plate?
Yeah, most of them do have it.
All right, since we in here, I gotta go turn my car off.
Honestly, look at him now. He look a freaking fool. Y'all can't tell me that. Hold on. Y'all can't tell me that this is
This ain't look like a freaking fool. He really did go out in it.
like okay. Look at him. Y'all gotta like look at y'all. Clarence, something's going on with Clarence. He might be having a midlife crisis. I said you like you go.
Say he got a midlife crisis. One thing I do know is that car saw him when he rolled up. He wasn't gonna get hit by that car. He got stopped. He say, stop, think about it. He's like, this green, this purple. I saw you, bro, from when I made the turn into Chick-fil-A.
A midlife crisis.
Wait, why do you keep making fun of my outfit?
I'm sorry.
This is a little Chick-fil-A breakfast hack. Get the biscuit, bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit.
Cool.
Actually, I like Chick-fil-A because they got real eggs, unlike other people. Those are real eggs. Like someone's cooking them shits in the back. Like you could tell. But you get the meal. It comes with some hash browns. Grab the hash browns. Throw a little glob of Chick-fil-A sauce on there. Then you put the hash browns on the Chick-fil-A sauce so it can stick. And then you go crazy. What did you get?
Got my favorite hash brown bowl. I was gonna get a biscuit, but I don't need it. I'm already eating before 12. So I'm gonna have to stop eating.
I actually love those bowls too. But I wish they had a bacon bowl.
You probably can make that. If they have a chicken bowl, they can make a bacon bowl.
I've never seen it.
You can ask.
Probably. Today would have probably been a good day to ask, like, when you come in, because it's definitely not on the app.
Chipotle ranch jalapeno snail dick. Crispy sweet and sour panda penis.
Claire, what is you watching? Bruh. Hey, Claire. I'm knocking on the window like, bruh. I mean, if you gotta watch something, you might as well join the Petty fam and watch Petty Reactions. Like, we don't be talking about that.
His is really up here cracking up. What?
It said honey glazed barbecue snake pussy.
Crispy sweet and sour panda penis.
I gotta post that on my gram. I had to post that. I just posted that.
You look good without that vest on.
I think it looked better with the back.
Did you tell them that somebody was recording you?
Yeah, that was I gotta be our own people.
Was somebody recording potty? Because you look. They
Guy
probably
with
know.
dreadlocks outside with his phone while I'm walking to the thing, he's recording me and shit.
Babe, are you hot?
I'm wild hot. No, it's because I was just laughing though. So I'm probably on somebody's gram. It's a good fit though.
You're right, it is. I don't know why he decided he wanted to come out more to extra places.
I'm a little hot though.
Yeah, actually, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just keep the vest off.
You got layers. He got the shirt, he got the sweatshirt, and he had the Gucci vest now. I'm glad he took that vest off though.
Target.
It don't hit the same though. It just don't hit the same.
Right now, you look just like that you love colors. That's all. You know what you remind me of right now? Like some sort of slushy. Like a Laffy Taffy.
She got a Queen is like, okay, forget it. I'm Queen. I'm Team Queen right now. She going in. She is going in on Claire. She said Laffy Taffy. Y'all look that up and y'all need to go find Laffy Taffy. That stuff is everything. Then the Slurpee, the slushy. Yes, all day. That's how I mix mine. I had the blueberry, the blue raspberry right there at the bottom. I give me something colorful at the top. And then in the middle, you might have some bubbles like that white shirt. You gotta layer your slushy.
Something. This part don't look bad though. I think we good.
That's a good fit, bro.
Okay, you say so.
So Queen said there was people in here looking at me, but I don't believe her.
The two guys behind the customer service. Hi.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Two guys behind the customer service. Hi. So cute. They were looking at your outfit, like looking down at your shoes. Like I could tell, you know, they was like, what does this man have on?
Maybe you got their face wrong, and maybe they was looking at my shoes like, yo, what are those? Yeah. Like, I need those.
Oh, like, what do you have on?
Like, I need those. I don't like how she just looked at my outfit either. That lady, that just the old lady. I'm about to start calling niggas out on, like, how they looking at me, because I don't like it. Niggas looking at me weird. Like, should be looking at her weird.
Who?
You.
Why?
You got black, white, black.
There's something wrong with what I have on for real?
I do got 4 colors on though. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so I gotta get some moisturizer for my face again because I've been running out. And of course, they would be sold out. That sucks. They sold out.
What?
This is the face stuff that I use right here. I don't see it.
Maybe order from Amazon, but I think you had
Skincare with Claire.
you said you still got a little bit left, right?
Yeah, I got some. I don't got enough for like a long time.
I want to get some melatonin.
Melatonin? Like baby's melatonin?
Yeah.
It probably would be over here.
Melatonin is needed.
Yeah, I was saying earlier that this would be like a great challenge or test for anxiety. You know what I'm saying? Because with people with severe anxiety wouldn't be able to do shit like this. They wouldn't be able to wear something that draws so much attention to them while recording with a big ass camera. But you know, I don't care. Because I'm one of the flyers. Look at this.
Be you, do you, boo.
Hey, why you got that face?
What face? I was looking at the person behind you looking at you. I know I've been a real
Queen getting some melatonin so Legend could sleep longer.
Yeah. So that I can sleep longer. You know, so I don't have to wake up in the middle of the night at like 3 when he do wake up. But he been doing good lately. Just, you know, when he don't, gotta be prepared.
Yeah, if y'all don't already know, I take the Goalie ashwagandha joints, which would be this one. It'll be the blue one, which helps like stress relief, focus, all of that. I be mad inconsistent with it, but these actually do work. But now they got the Goalie sleep joints that kind of go with the fit, and the apple cider vinegars. I had these already. These are really good. These are the best tasting ones. But the sleep ones I'm gonna try, and I got these at home. So, and they got women's. Queen don't take vitamins, so.
I know I need to start taking.
Yeah, this is nice, right?
It is. Would you get it from here? I know you know, because it's from Target. You might not.
Nah, I wouldn't mind. Target is very nice.
No, Target. I love
It's
Target.
called Target.
Target. Yes. Period.
It's a nice.
Target. See, I like when they got the display. You can just sit down and be like, you know what? I've been walking around this store all day. How do I look in this chair? And him in a white chair and a Barney Laffy Taffy Slurpee outfit.
I kind of like the fuzzy furniture. Like, imagine a big ass couch like that.
I would love that.
There's some kid getting tortured over there or something.
Oh.
It sounds like a kid is getting tortured over there.
Oh no, the baby. You want to go over there, super hood?
That sounds like a baby with a lot of colic, yeah.
Oh.
Baby start wilding when they got gas in it, something. Baby start bugging out.
Yeah, it's true, ain't it? They're like, okay, let me keep my ear open.
What you say?
I need a,
What you say?
I said, I really want to know what's wrong with that kid. I want to go back there.
That baby need a pacifier.
Oh, y'all so sweet. Y'all being concerned about other people's kids. That's very nice. They in the middle of shopping and vlogging and, you know, just chilling with each other. But they trying to be worried about their kid.
Something. Sound like that baby need a nipple. That baby want his nipples and he wants it now.
He needs some milk. He said well, he need the source, bruh. He said, I ain't got nothing for you, bruh. Like, I ain't got one of those. I ain't got no two. I ain't got the girls.
This kid needs a nipple. He needs a nipple. You stick a nipple right in his mouth, he good. Oh, there you go. Oh, my God.
like his echoing and stuff. Like y'all too close.
Oh. Radiant hair and glowing skin. I like that.
I likes that.
Vegan. Citrus.
That kid got an echo to his screen.
Citrus fresh.
I like to let y'all know. Y'all comment below. Like if I ever, as a kid, would make any kind of noise, period, in a public place, oh, you talking about getting toe up. Toe up and don't cry. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. I learned early. I was like, my parents crazy. I ain't out here in these streets playing with these people. These people cannot help me.
Sun-kissed citrus.
Have you ever used?
You know what? I'm gonna tell y'all what that is. As a bad kid, a former bad kid, a very old former bad kid. Been quite some times since I've been that little. But look, hey, what that is I want something and I want something now. That kid is probably 3 or 4, right? Terrible 2-ish, maybe, okay? The kid, ain't nothing wrong with the kid. Kid didn't fall. Kid ain't hungry. Kid wants something. Mama say no. And he gonna act a fool till he get it. It's resistance. Say fight, power up.
Big Papa?
No. Oh, I didn't know it was right here.
I be needing some shit for my curls sometimes.
Bye-bye, blow.
Okay. I bet you I can't do this. I learned this in the Chris Brown video. I think it was the Yo.
Nigga, what the fuck? Hair skin. I'm gonna do this hair skin supplement.
Excuse me, miss. I saw you.
Claire said that was him.
From across the room. And then he was like this. Oh. He was like this. It was a hat trick, look.
Wait.
Oh, shit.
Wait a minute.
It's been a while. Like this. Like this, and he put it on. Hey. Come on. Call me Young Breezy, man. Young Breezy in the building. And so you could take it all, you could flip it. Catch it. Hat trick. Come on, man. Hat trick. I just want to check you out. Check this out, y'all. So this Vaseline says cocoa butter healing jelly, right? And it says Vaseline healing jelly, and it has colored people, right, on the thing. Now let me show you how to regular. Okay, I'm bugging. Some colored people on that one too. Okay, maybe I'm bugging. Are we the only people that use Vaseline? And I don't know which one I should get. Because at first I seen that there was colored people on this. I'm like, oh, this is for me.
Bruh, we is very far away from being... Y'all don't take me there. Y'all MLK there. We're not color no more, bruh. Somebody help Claire. You know, I'm blame the Barney colors. He all into colorful.
There's colored people on that one too. On the regular one. This one I gotta smell. I'm gonna go this one. All right, we need to go home now so I can change.
Yeah.
I was just playing, babe.
I know you were.
I was just trying to get your reaction.
I gave you one. A good one, right? You still like Barney, though.
I guess. I don't think you'll ever believe me wearing some shit like that.
I mean...
That was very hard to pull off. I ain't gonna lie.
What?
You might have to put that in the back or in the front.
The front? How you...
But you know what? She loved him for real. Queen loved him for real. She didn't care he looked crazy. She's like, this is my man. I roll with him. She said he man.
You got drugs in here?
What?
This is fun.
I thought you smoked something that like I didn't.
Oh, no. Thank you.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell, become part of the Noodle Squad.